You don't.
Hello friends, so today we completed one batch of foundation and we have one student from USA, Siddhant Singh, and one student from India, Rajvee. So they have completed the final examination. So they did excellent in the examination. So over to Siddhant to share his experience, what he learned, and how was it. Yes, over to Siddhant.
The experience was nice. We learned some things. I struggled a little before I came to mathematics with division and multiplication, but now I'm actually a little really good at it. Because you go through some easy things for hard, like you go through easy steps for a hard math thing, and it's actually pretty easy.
So
Since
did
if
you
you
enjoy the
learn it,
journey?
the journey was also really nice. You also learn good stuff, and you become smarter.
Great. So if you have to tell, which was the best method you find?
It's actually all them.
Oh, good. And if you have to teach others, can you teach others, your friends and relatives of your age?
Yes.
So that's great achievement. Yeah, over to Rajvi now to share her experience. How was this journey?
I like this batch and I like many things in this batch and I learned Vedic Maths. It's very good to do. It makes traditional maths very easy, and I want to do this Vedic Maths again. Thank you.
Yeah. So now over to Siddhant. So now we have started the journey. So now the next level is basic. So now are you ready to go for a next level, that is basic level, and
Yes.
where we can excel in mathematics?
Yes.
So there will be a leap. Miss, you'll be jumping. Okay, it was a pleasure journey. I thoroughly enjoyed being a teacher. I thoroughly enjoyed, and we had fun, lots of fun, and we learned mathematics also. This is that's my slogan: mathematics with a smile. We have to do mathematics with fun. So, and we wish both of you good luck in the future, and we'll continue our journey in next phase too.